Long time no see. What is up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. My name is Debayan Mondal and I am back with another beatbox tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about beatbox rolls. I'm gonna give you guys a few patterns which I usually use and it might help you guys with your beatbox. We are gonna keep this video short and crisp. Let's do this. Number 1. You can also break this pattern down, like Number 2. Before doing this pattern, you should know how to do TKKs, and if you do not know how to do TKKs, check out my tutorial on TKKs. I will link it down in the description below. So yes, it involves a lot of TKKs and PK. PK, TK, PK, TK, like. How to use it in a beat. Number 3. Simple. How to use it in your beats. Number 4. This is the simplest pattern and it goes like, it just involves B, output K, and a hi-hat and a PS snare. You can also add stuff like how to use it. You can use this pattern especially if you do not know how to do K snare or you are using a lot of PF snares. Number 5. This is also a similar pattern but it uses BDB and K snare. So the pattern is like, you have to focus on BDBK. BDBK. If you can get this beat with your BDBK, so you're almost there. Number 6. Again, this involves a lot of TKK, so the pattern goes like, you can add PF snares and all. So basically it's a TKK and then there are 2 K snares or rim shot, whatever you would want to use it. Number 7, and I have definitely covered this pattern before, and it goes like, I know it's a bit fast and I have been doing it so fast that right now I cannot even do it slowly. Yeah, it's that bad. I think it's something like, so that was it for today. I hope you liked this video, and if it was helpful for you guys, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel yet. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time.